Here I have NUBIA RedMagic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, first let's open camera, then switch to the camera family, select slow motion, and now let's record something in slow motion. So as usual, I'm just gonna spin toilet paper. So let's get it. Okay. And now let's check out how it will look like on the actual slowed down video. And as you can see, toilet paper spins kinda slower than it was in real life. So I think it's a pretty fair slow motion. You can actually set other slow motion speed. Let's try this super slow motion. So let's get it another one. Okay, so as you can see, super high speed video processing. Now let's check this one out. Oh, so this one is really slow, as you can see. Here you can actually see every side of this spinning toilet paper with this slow motion speed setup, which is quite rare on mobile devices, I would say. On most of devices you can't record such a slow video, so that's pretty based, I believe. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.